I will show you how to download. Wait. Go to files, device. Go to downloads. Downloads here. I will show you how to install RAM Control Expander Pro. First, you need to download RAM Control Expander Pro. It's extract file. This file, and you need your phone to be rooted. Here, I will check my phone if it's rooted. Verify. Okay, root access probably. Go to and download this RAR. You can download in Play Store. Okay, go to downloads where you install the RAM. Where's it? Here. Go to RAM Control Extreme Pro. There. You wait, and here, see RAM Control. Okay, then install it. Wait till you install it. Okay. Oh, done. Oh, here's this app installed. You open it. Open Control Extreme. By the way, this is Pro. As you can see, you on small RAM. So we go to settings. Click on RAM boosting levels. Go to Super Extreme and go to Auto RAM boost level. Super Extreme. Go back and boost RAM. Okay. Back. Okay, as you can see here, and give it RAM. Good. Here, task killer. Wait. This might take long time. Okay, kill it. Okay, now see, go back. Now, as you can see, it goes big. Then there you go. Orangutan stream.